ConnectedWise is a transportation research startup at the University of Central Florida Incubator. We are trying to solve a unique problem about connected automated vehicles. This is a US DOT funded project, and we are trying to help rural areas to effectively benefit from the connected automated vehicle technology. The challenge in the rural area is that implementation of connected infrastructure is a serious problem. You most of the time don't have any fiber optic infrastructure or power infrastructure. At the same time, you have a very wide area you need to cover, so it's very costly to maintain your wireless equipment. To provide infrastructure to vehicle communication, our objective is to use these unique traffic signs that can relay the same type of information to the vehicles. We placed in this Florida Automated Vehicle 2019 Summit 3 different message applications. One of the first message application works on message. It's called Traveler Information Message. In this work zone area, our system will recognize one of our signs, and it will guide the system on the detour lane. In the other application, we have a intersection. In this intersection, we'll place one of our signs. The sign will relay the map data message of the entire intersection. The message will contain all the necessary information along with lane connections and roadway geometry information. This is a good application that we designed for Miami downtown area, because in this intersection, if you are using Google Maps navigation, it will tell you to make a left, but there is a no left turn sign, and our system will generate another routing that will safely navigate you to your destination. So this is one of our signs. This is the TIN message, Traveler Information Message. When the message is, as you see, is picked up by our system. So this is the work zone area that is closed for construction. That's why our navigation system guides you to go on this route. The system doesn't depend on GPS information. It uses machine vision to localize itself. At the same time, this machine vision uses a deep learning model that can detect the roadway users in real time. Vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists. All these beeping are actually pedestrian warnings. It has 12 classes, different type of vehicles, trucks, buses, train, and we have roadway users, cyclists, pedestrians, and we have also animal and roadway objects. So this message that we just recognized is an intersection situation data message. It is the navigation system is guiding us on the intersection roadway geometry. It will tell us the accurate routing, because here your Google Maps will tell you to make a left. As you see, there's no left turn here. You're not supposed to make a left. And our system has learned this information from the traffic sign, but all other information related to this intersection, and is guiding us on the accurate route. So this is the message content. As you see, the message involves all the necessary information, accurate roadway information, roadway geometry, and also the lane connections and other attributes. It's the same type of message you implement in a vehicular communication system that you use wireless infrastructure. It complies with SAE J2735. It's a standard for vehicular communication. The last message application that we are going to show is a handicap parking guidance. As soon as our system recognizes the traffic sign we place in front of this garage parking, It will guide us to the closest handicap parking location. We collected a lot of roadway data. We did a lot of driving on the rural and arterial roads. So the system performs the best in a rural environment. As you see, the data was the handicap parking navigation it has started after recognizing the sign. It's guiding us to the handicap parking area. In the second phase of the project, we are heavily working on making these signs invisible to the driver. We have a very unique idea to make these signs only visible to our camera system. We are going to use this UV ink and print these signs on a clear plastic sheets. So you should be able to place it onto existing sign without needing to generate a new type of sign. So the navigation guidance is for handicap parking is taking us to the closest handicap area. So this is the handicap location. It took us to the closest area. It was really hard to find a handicap parking here because it's a very complicated garage. Took us half an hour to find it. So we thought it could be a very useful case scenario.